Hi everybody, welcome to Algebra Talks. Hi Zdravko.
Hi Clara.
You are the head of the University Bachelor Study Program in Data Science and Artificial Intelligence. Can you tell us a little bit more about this study program?
I can tell that the program is really cool. It prepares students to become digital architects of our digital future.
What inspired Algebra to develop this study program in data science and artificial intelligence? And what unique features does this study program offer in comparison to others in the same field?
Data science and artificial intelligence are not just buzzwords anymore. They are the driving forces behind technological advancements, and they already shape the world around us.
What type of courses will students be able to take as part of this study program? And what kind of skills and knowledge will they be acquiring through these courses?
A degree in data science and artificial intelligence is a degree that brings sense to digital services. And through this carefully crafted curriculum, we will teach students to explore the subjects such as machine learning, big data analytics, and data visualization, and many others. We have many other topics like automation, computer science, and robotics.
How does this study program balance out theory and practice? And what kind of opportunities will students have to work on real-world projects?
This program goes beyond traditional classroom learning because we have strong ties with the industry leaders. We provide students with internships, network opportunities, and pathways to exciting career prospects.
How does this study program prepare students for their future careers? And what type of jobs might they be qualified for once they graduate?
The study prepares students for various roles in application development, business development, even in media industry. And we strongly believe in empowering our students to become problem solvers, to become innovators and leaders.
Thank you, Zdravko. Would you like to maybe take this opportunity and invite students to apply for the program?
Join us. Let's explore together the way artificial intelligence and data science shape our future world.
See you at Algebra in Croatia.